When you fall really behind on your BarkBoxes. Part 1.
Don't mind if I do. I'll take this. This too.
Out of here.
Yum. Mom, don't you know this is mine?
Can I see it? Okay. Hey Ziva, welcome to the party. Guys, you can't be right in front of my camera though.
I want that. Not anymore.
Are you distracted by your sister now? Who's distracted by your brother?
It's upside down, dummy.
Oh. Oh my gosh, look at it.
You saw nothing. Don't tell Huxley.
Mom, give me dog treats.
Oh, this one goes. Ooh, it's the Halloween one.
Oh, I'm interested again.
Ooh, what'd you get?
Sniff, sniff. You may proceed.
Oh, hello. That's cute.
EWW, Mom, that's
Want that one?
gross. I want it.
I know, you want the treats.
Heck
This
yeah,
mother
I
is the
do.
fourth one, and I have not gotten any treats.
Give me, give me.
Treat recap.